This rich and healthy vegetable soup is made with a combination of root vegetables sauteed in butter and herbs and then cooked in stock. For a printable recipe card, head over to Jennifer's Home Journal and look in the kitchen, where you'll find this recipe and a lot of other recipes. So dice your celery, then peel and slice the carrots and the parsnips. Dice the potatoes and we're ready to cook. Melt the butter over medium heat. Then saute the celery, carrots, and parsnips for a few minutes. Add the thyme, mustard seed, celery seed, and bay leaf. Then turn the heat down and cover and sweat the veggies until they are slightly softened. Add the diced potatoes, the stock, and the water, and cover it and cook it until the potatoes are done, about 8 minutes. Put about 2 cups of the soup into a blender. Add the half and half and the flour and blend well. Then return the blended soup to the pot and add salt and pepper to taste. This soup is so good. So I hope you found that helpful. If you liked it, please hit the like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel.